Giggles and grapes.
Hi, friends. It's me, Nini. Today, we're talking about healthy versus junk food. Let's see which choices keep us feeling our best. Let's make it fun. Spot Nini hiding throughout the video. Take a screenshot and tag us on Instagram at Giggles and Grapes. You might be featured. Lunch. Whole grains and veggies give your body fiber and energy. Fast food? It's okay, sometimes, but too much can slow you down. Drinks. Milk gives you calcium for strong bones. Milkshakes have lots of sugar and can make you feel full, but not for long. Energy boost. Bananas give natural energy and keep you full. Candy bars? A quick sugar rush, but you'll crash soon after. Dinner. Grilled chicken is packed with protein and less fat. Fried chicken is delicious, but has more oil and calories. Dessert. Yogurt with berries is sweet and gives you nutrients. Cupcakes are a treat, but too many can cause a sugar crash. Post-school snack. Popcorn is a great snack when it's not loaded with butter. Chips. They have lots of salt and don't keep you full. Have you been spotting me? Share your screenshots on Instagram. I'm excited to see them.
Subscribe, like, and don't forget to press the bell icon.